A warm welcome to one and all as you join us for this meeting of two nations who can rightly lay claim to the status of being amongst the 21st century's most formidable international teams. Their first recognised meeting occurred as far back as 1921, and since then, the Iberian derby has always been a very special occasion. Vitinha!
Well, talk about a real rude awakening. It's almost as if the defence saw nothing coming. They just didn't anticipate, on heels rather than toes.
The purest possible contact. What a fabulous strike.
Is it just me, or did he make that look very, very easy? That was terrific skill and composure from him. He finished with such aplomb.
They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough.
Well, he's certainly happy with that after what's been said in the build-up, you know.
Pressure stays on, it is a corner. Just off target.
Morata certainly could have and should have made more of that.
Nacho. The normal. That's good pressing, squeezing the play. Yamal. Carvajal. He's trying to skip past his man. Can he get it through? Big header! And that's caused a worry or two.
Morata must have been hit by a flash of doubt then. He complicated what looked like an easy opportunity.
Pedri. Carvajal. Looking for the runner. He's in plenty of space here. Vitinha.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
Portugal have hit the front early, a foothold in the game.
It's been a super start. They've made their intentions clear and they've backed them up.
Passing is crisp and sharp. Yamal! Ruben Dias. So just a one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. Ball played for Matheus Nunes. Diogo Dalot. Gets his pass away. Real chance! He's got a goal! And with that goal comes comfort. And he stuck it away as if laser-guided.
He weighed up the landscape, Peter, and he stuck it bang in the corner.
So that's two now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Pedri. Now it's Morata.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Oh, it's a sweet ball, that. Matheus Nunes. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Oh, that's a nice ball. Oh, that's well spotted. Vitinha. Spread out to the left. Vitinha. Cucurella. And it's Nacho. Here's Rodri. Gently done. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Fabian Ruiz. They've managed to get it away. So, what can they make of this? Yamal stood up well to him there. Matheus Nunes.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
That is lovely. Rodri did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. He's got away. Played towards the other side. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. Does well to stand firm and defend it. Oh, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time. Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh, lovely feed, he is such a good mover. And now a sudden chance to counter. Fabian Ruiz. Shifted it to the flank. He's found a way through. Can he finish? Yes, it's in! A goal at a really telling moment. How very smart. He just got it right.
Yeah, I'd rather praise the scorer than criticise the defence here. He stepped forth and conquered.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could near well reward them with an equaliser.
Played through for the wide man. He's shifting through the gears here. He's had a shot! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
And it's been taken straight back. And that'll be the final action of the first half. So on the whole, a very competitive game so far. Goals for both sides, neither in true command. Anything could still happen in this game. Caution certainly not on the agenda here from both sides.
Well, we've had plenty to go at in that first half, Peter, and it's a fragile lead that could quite easily change hands in the second. If you like your football unpredictable, I think you're at the right match.
Well, it is a game with plenty at stake, and that does show. Highly competitive, combative, confrontational. It is what you would expect from a game of this magnitude. Portugal head into the half-time break with a narrow advantage. It is 2-1. And we are already promptly back underway. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Matheus Nunes. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's Pepe. Nico Williams. Oh, that's fabulous. Defending in numbers, sharp and uncompromising. Good running, strong and purposeful. Bumps him off it and wins back the ball. Pedri. Matheus Nunes. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to go.
Fabian Ruiz. Pedri. Now that looks a great leap! Morata gets flagged offside.
The attendance for this match was 70,987.
Quarter of an hour into the second half.
Well, you would hope for some movement off the bench, Peter, knowing you get an extra sub in extra time.
And he's managed to get free. And a goal kick.
Substitution.
Spain can now introduce the first of their substitutes.
Well, this could be an indication that the team are setting themselves up for the counter-attack here, Peter, and he is very good at that type of thing.
Fabian Ruiz. And that's not going to reach.
Spain are definitely going about this the right way.
They're coming again and again.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Vitinha. Matheus Nunes. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Fabian Ruiz did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Dani Olmo, he has found the way through. In comes the cross. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. Bernardo Silva. Diogo Dalot. It's a good run down the right. Oh, well played, lovely. Vitinha looking to add to his goal. Got a shot away!
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
No way he was going to be out-muscled. He's had a hit! So close to drawing level.
Well, the lead may be fragile, but the keeper was focused and strong.
Substitutions taking place. Substitution for Portugal. Number 16. Number 10. Bernardo Silva. Number 17. Rafael Leão. Number 20. João Cancelo.
And that has been cleared.
Number 13.
Portugal can counter promptly here.
Number 23. Coming on the field.
Cucurella.
Number 6. Number
Now it's
25.
Ferran Torres.
Number 11.
Looking for options. There's the shot! Oh, it's there! And with the match slipping away, they have hauled themselves off the canvas.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
We have ourselves a real game here.
Listen, with the momentum that goal gives them now, they may well push for a winner before the 90 minutes is up. Players don't like extra time, believe me.
And it's Ruben Neves. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Now it's Oyarzabal. Aimed beyond the defence. And that hits one! That is brilliant from Mikel Oyarzabal! And that may just do it!
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
Well, it's an inspired substitution. Terrific move by the boss.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
Number 21.
Spain complete their comeback, and now they only need to hold out for a few minutes.
There's still a bit left in it, Peter, but they should find the necessary to avoid a slip-up now. Portugal have a simple task to find something sustained now and keep the pressure on.
No unnecessary risks, and the game is petering out here. Fabian Ruiz. Added time going up here, it's 3 minutes. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's run loose, who's going to get there? Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Portugal pleasingly clever on the ball. They had their moments, but ultimately they take away nothing. So there it is. What struck you most about that?
Well, you can never predict the results of these games, as your usual indicators like form become pretty irrelevant. It's a tough one to take, but these players have got what it takes to come back from this.